kasi parang actually ito ngayon, parang in terms of the business world, of course, hindi natin maniniwasan talaga that people who are in the business for the longest time sometimes take advantage of the lack of knowledge that the newbies or the starting ones yung na-abuse ko. So parang it's very rare, very hard to find the right partners in terms of business. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Jules before, kaya mo simulan ng mag-isa
2 minutes pa lang.
or within your circle lang, ganun na lang, or someone you really trust. So, kasi coming from my experience po, based from my experience, siguro talaga marami po akong masasabi na sinamantala talaga nila yung lack of knowledge or just took advantage of my name for the business. But right now kasi, I'm very careful when it comes to venturing out business. Hindi naman kasi necessarily ibig sabihin may negosyo ka. Of course, it's an opportunity to showcase and to para damihan yung portfolio mo in terms of the things you want to do aside from being a public figure, which is a celebrity. But minsan kasi, yun din yung ina-advise ko sa ibang mga gustong mag-start ng negosyo na wala pa at the moment. Sabi ko kung mag-negosyo kayo, siguraduhin nyo na magpupulot
Salamat sa pailaw.
it's very difficult not to be hands-on. Kung hindi man full-time hands-on, ito kasi kaya niyong pagsabayin eh. Sobrang workaholic kasi nito eh. But kung tingin nyo, nasisimulan nyo lang siya for the sake of simulan, and gusto nyo lang parang i-publicize na may negosyo kayo, you're starting out a business, wag na lang kasi sayang, makukompromise kasi commitment siya eh. Hindi siya yung suntok sa buwan lang na gusto ko mag-business okay, ganyan bahala na.
Napapag-usapan ko kayo.
Before, yes, before.
That's why sabi ko nga po kanila, I'm very lucky to meet actually. Kasi totoo yun yung mahirap talaga makahanap ng partner na talaga mapagkakatiwala mo. And I'm so blessed na kami sa Swiss Cookie kami. We're so transparent. From the finances, the production, lahat kami hands-on.
Albert, meron ka message sa mga nakabuso sa
Wala naman po. Ako, I'd like to thank them because ganun na ako ngayon sa buhay ko. Parang with anything that's happening, mostly the bad ones, I'm grateful because I always look at it as a lesson. Not because of that experience, I am who I am right now. Na sometimes hindi talaga, sometimes ganun eh, parang di ba may grateful about everything, be it good or bad. Kasi one way or another, it's a lesson that you're learning. Umaambag siya sa pagkatao mo eh. So talagang part of the journey and at the same time, parang binubuo ako ng mga tao ganun sa akin. Which is binibigyan nila ako ng example kung ano yung mga hindi ko dapat kaya.
So nalugi ka din?
Po?
Nalugi ka?
Nalugi? Lugi. Sa awa ng Diyos wala dito. Yes, but ang hirap kasi. So ako, I'd rather be partners with people who I don't have personal relationships with. Ang hirap, especially within the family. Kami from experience din, but naayos na namin yun eventually. Pero ang hirap talagang i-balance. Ang hirap i-segregate yung personal relationship sa negosyo. And sometimes people don't know the boundaries between that. So next time talaga, pag may negosyo or even future ventures, business ventures, I'm not saying that because of my experience, titigilan ko na yung pag-explore. I'm just gonna have my boundaries and I'm gonna lay it out on the table first hand pa lang.
Pinagsisihan mo yon?
Yes po, dito. Yes po.
Then pinagsisihan mo yon?
Pinagsisihan dito. Dito? Okay yun. Kasi hindi ako nagkaroon ng kaalaman kung hindi kaya.